All right, good afternoon. I'm here on a snowy day with Dennis Lann from Lann Insurance, and he has some interesting points about something that I never really thought of, but what to consider with your car insurance as you're going through a divorce or maybe you're separated from your spouse. So,
Yeah, I always consult with your agent. Every company handles these kind of transition things a little bit differently, but consider moving off to separate policies. You may need to get a new policy for your new location, especially if you're in a different city. Rates do vary, and we really insure by garage and location. So you don't have to cancel the policy. You can start a new policy and keep your ex's policy in force by just removing yourself from that policy. Always consult with the attorney and try to come to some agreement with the two separate parties, but we really do insure by garage and address. That's very important. Always contact your agent, and some companies give a little more leniency, but it is important to be insured at the location you are at. And if you're at two separate locations, that is relevant and does matter.
so is there a difference, like if you move from downtown Cleveland to Chardon or something like that?
Right. I always treat it like a target is a good way to look at it. This applies, Chicago, New York City, it'd be drastic, but
Yeah.
the more cars, the more people, the higher the rate. You live out in the boonies where there's not many vehicles, not many people, there's not that much to hit, so the rates are going to be cheaper. It's the best way to look at it.
Yeah.
And it does matter to the insurance company. They want to
Yeah.
rate you for where you are located and the risk you imply by doing that.
And the point you bring up, because sometimes when people are going through a divorce, there's actually a restraining order saying you can't remove insurance. So you're not removing insurance
Right.
from anybody, correct?
Obviously, you better double check with the attorneys involved, but yeah, you can start a new policy and the other parties can stay on the policy they're on.
Okay.
So you're not canceling them effectively, but yeah, that's something you can do. It makes sense.
All right. Well, thank you, and you're the first ever celebrity guest on my video blog. So thanks.
Not
for
the
time.
last, though.
All right. Thank you.
All right, make it a great day.